Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to learn about finance solver. So finance solver is a function that exists in our cash calculator, and we're going to use finance solver to solve our compound interest questions that we have done before. So to go to the finance solver function in your calculator, you first need to add the calculator, and then go to the menu section, then go to Add Finance, and then go to Finance Solver. Once you enter into the Finance Solver, you will see some kind of table like this. The capital N is representing the total number of repayment periods. For example, if you decide to pay off the loan in 4 separate periods, then your N number is equal to 4. And the capital I percentage is the interest rate per annum. So before when we doing the amortization table or the loan with representing the loan with a recurrent relationship, we often need to convert the interest rate into the unit of payment periods. Now, because we're using financial solver for these, so the units for the interest rate has been fixed for you as per annum. That means per year. So PV is the present value, which is also the initial value of the loan. So we can say at time 0 or when you decide to purchase the stuff when 0 payments has been made. So that's the initial value of the loan there. The PMT is the periodic payment. Now, for the periodic payment in or this chapter, the PMT is a fixed value. Okay, the future value of the loan is at time 1, time 2, or time 4. What is the amount of loan left for you to repay back? And the P/Y is the number of payments periods in a year. So, for example, if you are going to pay off the loan in 12 months. So you're making 12 payments over here. The number of payment periods in a year is going to be 12. And finally, the C/V is the number of compounding periods in a year. It says it's nearly always as the same as P/V, but in our further math, we take that two values always the same. We just consider that as the same thing. And in our finance solver, we need to pay special attention to the sign of the value that we are entering into this thing over here. So if the money is coming into your account, then we consider that the amount of money is going to be positive. But if the money is going out from your account, we consider that amount of money is going to be negative. Now, there are a lot of students confused what is the sign of your loans. If we assume that we are going to get a loan from the bank, then means that the bank is giving us the money, so the loan is going to be positive. Even though the loan is the amount of the money that you're owing to the bank, but in consider that the bank give you the money, so there is amount of money comes into your account, so the loan is going to be positive. Okay, so now let's look at an example. So what we have over here is a loan of 50,000 is taken out over 20 years at a rate of